You won't believe the game changer that just dropped in the world of color printing. Are you tired of constantly replacing toner cartridges, dealing with faded colors, and struggling with inconsistent print quality? Well, buckle up because we've got the solution for you. The HP 414X High-Yield Toner Cartridge 4-Pack. This powerhouse of a product is specifically designed for heavy-duty users who demand nothing but the best from their color laser printers. The question is, can it live up to its promises? Let's dive in and find out. First off, let's talk about the sheer value you get with this 4-pack. You're getting 4 high-yield toner cartridges, each engineered to deliver vibrant, professional-quality prints that will leave your competition in the dust. The black, cyan, magenta, and yellow cartridges are all designed to complement each other, ensuring that your prints are nothing short of stunning. Now, the HP 414X High-Yield Toner Cartridge 4-Pack comes compatible with the HP Color LaserJet Enterprise M455DN, MFP M480F, Color LaserJet Pro M454, and MFP M479 series printers. That's a whole lot of flexibility, if you ask me. Need to upgrade your printer in the future? No worries. These cartridges will still be compatible. Let's talk about yield, because that's a major concern for many users. According to HP's own estimates, the black cartridge will churn out an impressive 7,500 pages, while the color cartridges will put in work with 6,000 pages each. That's what I call a serious page per dollar value. You get a whole lot of bang for your buck. But here's the thing, HP's engineers haven't just stopped at yield. Oh no, these cartridges have been engineered to deliver reliable performance that will keep your printing workflow humming smoothly. No more worrying about premature failures or annoying leakages. The HP 414X High-Yield Toner Cartridge 4-Pack has got your back. Comparing this to other toner cartridges on the market, the HP 414X stands head and shoulders above the rest. Why? Because HP's commitment to quality and innovation is unmatched. These cartridges have been carefully crafted to prevent clogs, jams, and any other issues that can slow down your printing process. That's a whole lot of peace of mind, if you ask me. But let's talk about the elephant in the room, cost. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Isn't it going to break the bank? Not all. While the upfront cost might seem steep, think about how much you'll save in the long run with higher yield cartridges that reduce your need for replacements. Trust me, it adds up. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, is it worth the investment? And my answer is a resounding yes. The HP 414X High-Yield Toner Cartridge 4-Pack is an absolute game changer for anyone serious about color printing. From the sheer value you get from the 4 cartridges to the reliable performance that will keep your printing workflow humming smoothly, this product has got everything you need. In fact, the HP 414X High-Yield Toner Cartridge 4-Pack is so good that I'm confident that after trying it out, you'll never go back to those low-quality, cheap toner cartridges that leave your prints looking subpar. The verdict is clear. This one's a must-have for any serious color printing enthusiast or business owner who demands nothing but the best from their printing workflow. It might seem steep, but trust me, it's worth every penny.